Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your social media skills with Hootsuite Academy, beginner guide step by step clearly. Step 1 is to visit the Hootsuite Academy website. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Hootsuite Academy. Once on the homepage, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click the button to create your account if you don't have one already. Fill in the required information, such as your name, email address, and password. After registering, check your email for a confirmation link and click on it to verify your account. Step 2 is to explore the course catalog. Browse through the various courses offered to find ones that match your goals. Look for beginner courses if you're just getting back into social media. Once you find a course that interests you, click on it to learn more about the content. Step 3 involves enrolling in your chosen course. Click the Enroll button to gain access. You may need to complete some introductory information before proceeding. Step 4 is to start the course at your own pace. Watch video lessons and take notes on key points. Stay engaged by participating in any quizzes or interactive exercises. Take your time to fully absorb the material before moving on to the next section. Step 5 is to utilize additional resources. Hootsuite Academy often provides supplementary materials like articles and case studies. Make use of these resources to enhance your understanding of social media strategies. Step 6 is to practice your skills. Implement what you learn by creating social media posts using Hootsuite. Experiment with various features like scheduling and analytics tools. Step 7 is to connect with the community. Join Hootsuite's community forums to engage with other learners. Ask questions and share experiences to gain insights from others in the field. Step 8 is to take the final assessment, if applicable. Demonstrate your understanding by completing any quizzes or tests provided. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.